Okay, here we are. This is where brake line was leaking. This is the new one we have made up. Now all we gotta do is flare the ends. We got one done already. From here, goes all the way down. And comes to here. We have this unit ready. It will be taking a double flare. Stay tuned and we'll show you how we flare the line. Okay, here we are. It's time to flare the line. We've cut it, but before you flare the line, we're gonna have to ream this opening here. Take your reamer. She's nice and opened up. Okay, now we need a fitting. Slide your fitting down. Now for this, I'm using a hydraulic flaring tool. Makes life easy. One side is deep, one side is flat. You want the deep side facing the inside. We'll bring the line through just till it's level with the divot here. Okay, tighten her down. Take our double flaring bit, get her inside. Tighten her up. Now you don't have to kill it. You don't have to kill it. Just give it a couple pumps until she stops. That's it. Back her out. Get your cone. Just gonna finish the double flare. Same thing. Give it a couple pumps. Loosen the tool. You'll have perfect double flares every time. Hope that helps. Stay tuned for the next one. Right. There we have it. 2 lines from here. Bent by hand. Comes right down. Goes underneath here. And comes to the unions here. The rest of the line is absolutely mint. Doesn't need to be replaced. And that's how you do an absolutely perfect brake line job. Right up to the master. Perfect.